This film asks whether human psychology tends to create religious beliefs. In the first section we look at how we attribute minds to others. This human ability to infer the thoughts of others has been essential in our evolution. It also means that we tend to believe that minds like our own are in animals and natural events.
All living things have common origins: people, fish, flowers, bacteria. These origins are in the universal DNA code. This DNA code has 4 letters: A, C, G and T. These are what chemists call bases. They are copied when cell nuclei divide. A always pairs with T and C always pairs with G. The primate family tree includes humans, monkeys, gorillas and orangutans. Troops are the way primates live. They stay together throughout life as family groups. 2 of the things that go with troop life are communication and leadership. Communication requires the primate to be good at interpreting sounds and reading facial expression in troop members. Leadership means accepting direction from the most experienced elder. This is most frequently an alpha male, easily recognized in gorilla troops as a silverback. Bonobos look like chimpanzees but are less aggressive and have female leaders. Bonobos and chimpanzees are our nearest relatives. They are separated from each other by the mighty Congo River. Do other animals have religion? A difficult question. Religion at least involves attributing minds to other creatures that cannot be seen. We must assume that animals have at least some thinking like our own. Dogs fit in well with humans because their thinking is to look for leadership from the top wolf. A human dog owner does not look or smell much like a wolf, so the dog must detect some cues for dominance. Many quite simple animals can count. Newborn chickens tend to look for the biggest group of other chicks it can find. In experiments in Padua, scientists moved toy chicks into view and then behind screens. They found that a chick will go for a screen hiding 1 plus 2 chicks more often than 4 minus 2 chicks. So there might be dog and chicken religions. On the other hand, interpreting others' faces is not important for chicks and less for dogs than humans. But let's go back to an easier question: chimps and humans.
Past has given us in the way of a brain. Separation of the chimpanzee and human lines occurred 6 million years ago, but 99% of our DNA is still the same. The DNA we share with gorillas is 98% and with orangs it's 97%. Sometimes it takes only 1 or 2 genes to change to make the difference. Human infants and chimpanzees look curiously similar. While chimp faces change with age, human adults keep their flat faces. This persistence of the infant form, called neoteny, only takes a minor change for this to occur. However, most primates are quite poor at inferring human minds. Most do not recognize their reflection in a mirror, although gorillas may. If we point, a primate looks at the hand, not at the thing it points to. Chimps may learn a lot of sign language, but do not learn to combine it with grammar. Surprisingly, dogs are better than chimps at inferring human thoughts. Humans hear words and watch body language and assume there is a mind like our own behind them. The consequence is we assume there are lots of other minds out there too.